In today's digital age, the world of commerce is at your fingertips. With just a few clicks, you can access a global marketplace, bringing the world of shopping right to your home. Among the giants of e-commerce, Amazon stands tall, offering a vast marketplace for entrepreneurs and businesses of all sizes. It has become a household name, synonymous with convenience and variety. This platform, known as Amazon Marketplace, has revolutionized the way we buy and sell, connecting millions of sellers with a global customer base. It has broken down barriers, allowing small businesses to compete on a global scale. Whether you're an experienced entrepreneur or just starting, Amazon Marketplace presents an incredible opportunity to tap into the world of online retail. It offers tools and resources to help you succeed, no matter your level of experience. Imagine having access to over 300 million active customers worldwide, all seeking products like yours. This vast audience is constantly growing, providing endless opportunities for your business to thrive. This is the power of Amazon. It's not just a marketplace, it's a comprehensive ecosystem designed to support your business at every step. It provides a ready-made infrastructure, handling everything from payments to shipping, allowing you to focus on what you do best: sourcing and selling great products. With Amazon's logistics network, your products can reach customers quickly and efficiently. This essay will serve as your comprehensive guide to understanding and succeeding in the exciting world of Amazon Marketplace. We will cover everything from setting up your store to optimizing your listings and managing customer relationships. From understanding the basics to navigating the intricacies, we'll equip you with the knowledge to launch and grow your own successful online business. You'll learn how to leverage Amazon's tools and services to maximize your potential. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey filled with potential and possibilities. The world of e-commerce is dynamic and ever-changing, and with Amazon Marketplace, you have the chance to be at the forefront of this revolution. Welcome to the future of retail. Welcome to Amazon Marketplace. Let's begin this adventure together and unlock the full potential of your business. Selling on Amazon Marketplace comes with a unique set of advantages that traditional business models often lack. It's a platform that has revolutionized the way businesses operate online, providing unparalleled opportunities for growth and expansion. Let's delve into some of the key benefits that make it an attractive platform for both new and established businesses. Whether you're a startup looking to make your mark or an established brand aiming to reach new heights, Amazon Marketplace offers something for everyone. Firstly, Amazon boasts a massive global customer base. This extensive reach means that your products can be seen by millions of potential customers from all corners of the world. With millions of shoppers actively searching for products every day, your target audience is already present and engaged. This built-in audience significantly reduces the time and effort needed to attract customers. This eliminates the need to build your own customer base from scratch, saving you time, effort, and resources. Instead of investing heavily in marketing to attract customers, you can leverage Amazon's existing traffic to drive sales. Secondly, Amazon has established a reputation for trust and reliability. This trust is a crucial factor in online shopping, where customers are often wary of new or unknown sellers. Customers feel secure purchasing from Amazon, knowing they are protected by Amazon's A to Z guarantee. This assurance encourages more people to buy from you, knowing they can rely on Amazon's customer service if any issues arise. This pre-built trust translates to higher conversion rates and increased sales for sellers. When customers trust the platform, they are more likely to complete their purchases, leading to better sales performance for your business. Thirdly, Amazon handles the complexities of e-commerce logistics. Managing logistics can be a daunting task, but Amazon simplifies this process for you. From secure payment processing to efficient shipping and handling, Amazon takes care of the back-end operations, leaving you free to focus on strategic aspects of your business. This allows you to concentrate on product development, marketing strategies, and customer engagement. Finally, Amazon provides powerful selling tools and resources. These tools are designed to help you succeed and grow your business on the platform. From detailed analytics to marketing and advertising options, you have access to a wealth of data and tools to optimize your listings, reach your target audience, and maximize your sales potential. These resources enable you to make informed decisions and fine-tune your strategies for better results. In essence, Amazon Marketplace empowers you with the tools and infrastructure needed to succeed in today's competitive online marketplace. By leveraging Amazon's extensive resources, you can focus on what you do best, growing your business and delighting your customers. Embarking on your Amazon Marketplace journey may seem daunting at first, but it becomes manageable when broken down into clear, actionable steps. Let's explore the essential stages of launching and running a successful business on Amazon. Section 3.1. Diving deep into market research and product selection. The foundation of any successful business lies in identifying a profitable niche and offering products that customers genuinely need and desire. This is where thorough market research comes into play. Begin by analyzing current market trends, identifying popular product categories, and understanding customer demand. Utilize Amazon's own tools like bestsellers rank and movers and shakers to gain insights into what's selling well and what customers are actively searching for. Consider factors such as competition, profit margins, and shipping costs when evaluating potential products. Look for products with high demand, low competition, and the potential for healthy profit margins. For instance, let's say you're passionate about fitness and discover a gap in the market for high-quality, eco-friendly yoga mats. This could be your niche. By offering unique selling propositions like sustainable materials or innovative designs, you can differentiate yourself from competitors and attract customers looking for something special. Section 3.2. Setting up your Amazon seller account. A simple guide. Once you've identified your product niche, it's time to establish your presence on Amazon by creating a seller account. This straightforward process involves providing basic business information, choosing a selling plan, and setting up your payment and shipping preferences. Amazon offers two primary selling plans: individual and professional. The individual plan is best suited for sellers listing fewer than 40 items per month, while the professional plan is ideal for those listing more frequently and seeking access to advanced selling tools. During the account setup, you'll need to provide valid credit card information for billing purposes and a bank account for receiving your earnings. You'll also choose your preferred fulfillment method: fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, or fulfillment by merchant, FBM. We'll delve deeper into these fulfillment options in a later section. Section 3.3. Mastering the art of product listing creation. Your product listings serve as your virtual storefront on Amazon, making it crucial to create compelling and informative presentations. A well-crafted listing includes high-quality product images, detailed descriptions, relevant keywords, and competitive pricing. Start by writing a clear and concise product title that accurately reflects the item and includes relevant keywords. Use bullet points to highlight key features and benefits, making it easy for potential customers to scan and understand your product's value proposition. Incorporate high-quality images that showcase your product from multiple angles, highlighting its unique selling points. Use natural lighting and neutral backgrounds to ensure your images are visually appealing and professional. Finally, set competitive prices that align with customer expectations and market trends. Consider factors like cost of goods, Amazon fees, and competitor pricing to determine your optimal selling price. A well-optimized product listing can significantly impact your product's visibility, click-through rates, and ultimately, your sales. Section 3.4. Inventory management and fulfillment. Keeping your business running. Efficient inventory management is crucial for ensuring you can meet customer demand without incurring unnecessary costs. This involves not just tracking your stock levels, but also understanding the flow of goods in and out of your warehouse. You'll need to determine the right amount of inventory to keep on hand, considering factors like sales projections, lead times, and storage costs. Regularly reviewing these factors can help you adjust your inventory levels to match changing market conditions. Overstocking can lead to storage fees and potential product obsolescence, while understocking can result in lost sales and dissatisfied customers. It's a delicate balance that requires constant monitoring and adjustment. Finding the right balance is key. This balance ensures that you have enough stock to meet demand without tying up too much capital in inventory. Amazon offers two primary fulfillment methods: Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, and Fulfillment by Merchant, FBM. Each method has its own set of advantages and challenges. With FBA, you send your inventory to Amazon's fulfillment centers, and they handle the storage, picking, packing, and shipping of your orders, as well as customer service and returns. This can save you time and resources, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business. FBM gives you more control over the fulfillment process as you handle the storage and shipping of orders yourself. This can be beneficial if you have specific packaging requirements or want to maintain a closer relationship with your customers. Each method has its pros and cons, and the best option for you will depend on your specific business model, budget, and product characteristics. Carefully evaluate your needs and resources to choose the fulfillment method that aligns best with your business goals.